It's a very hot July day out on the outskirts of my old hometown, Corning, California. What you see around here are the back roads typical of this area. Lots of trees, orchards, ranches, and rolling hills. They're mostly straight 2-lane asphalt stretches edged with irrigation ditches and just a few churns thrown in for good measure. South Avenue is one of the main east-west corridors that links I-5 to 99 East. Driving it brings back a lot of memories. I take a left onto Woodson Avenue and do a quick peek at my old house before continuing south to see my friends Brian and Dina in Kain. Heading into Kain, the style of road is the same as you saw earlier, just on a larger scale. You can open it up a little, and while it seems pretty remote out here, I've heard that the CHP do travel these roads to possibly shortcut from Corning to Hamilton City and Chico. So be aware of your surroundings.